Now, with the continued mass volatility in the global financial markets, the British pound on Monday plunged to an all-time low against the US dollar. But it's not only the British pound. Many of the world's major currencies are really struggling against the greenback at the current time. Seung-jae with this report.
New UK Prime Minister Liz Truss recently announced plans to stimulate economic growth through the largest tax cut in 50 years. However, with the current state of the financial market, concerns are rising that the national debt will soar and inflation will become even more severe.
Right now, it does seem to be pretty reckless, and what the government has effectively done is given us some money back in terms of tax cuts. So what the Chancellor gives us in terms of tax cuts, we're going to have it taken out in the form of higher mortgage payments, etc., meaning that ultimately the boost to demand could be removed, and all we're left with is this legacy of much larger debt.
The British pound has continuously depreciated against the US dollar over the past year. Sterling fell as low as $1.05 on Monday, before slightly rebounding to $1.07. In addition, with the bond market also fluctuating, the yield on the 5-year government bond stood at about 4.6%, the highest since September 2008 during the last global financial crisis. But the British pound isn't alone. The euro also sank to its lowest against the greenback, with €1 trading for as low as 95 US cents also on Monday. The same holds true for the yuan and the yen in Asia's two largest economies in China and Japan. Both governments intervened as their currencies continued to fall helplessly against the strengthening US dollar. Some experts believe the current trend is similar to that of the 1997 Asian financial crisis, adding that the Korean won and the Philippine peso are the most vulnerable currencies in Asia. Seung-jae, Arirang News.